Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Chevy Malibu LT, stock number Z8281XX. Only 37,000 miles on this Malibu. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, champagne silver metallic in color. Malibu is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges. Again, only 37,000 miles with driver information system. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. Hard keys below for radio, CD player, as well as heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder, 197 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-sized sedan. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway. All that with new brakes and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.